Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up, because what you're about to see isn't just a car, it's rolling Italian drama on four wheels. This is the Maserati Khamsin. Now, most people will tell you it's an underrated Grand Tourer from the 1970s, but let's be real, it's a crime that this car isn't worshipped like a god. Designed by Marcello Gandini, the same genius who penned icons like the Lamborghini Countach, the Khamsin wasn't just a car, it was a declaration of style, power, and excess. And this one? Oh, this one has a party trick. Underneath that razor-sharp Gandini bodywork lives a monstrous 4.9-liter V8 pumping out 330 horsepower. But forget the numbers. This thing doesn't just make noise, it sings. A soundtrack so good, it could wake the dead. And then, the twist. This very Khamsin was given a one-off T-top conversion in California. Yeah, a Maserati Khamsin T-top. You want rare? This is unicorn-level rare. Originally painted in a bumblebee yellow and black combo, it later transformed into an all-black beauty that looked as sinister as it sounded. This car has lived a life. From California to the Netherlands to Germany, even showcased in a museum, it's been pampered, serviced, and loved. The gearbox rebuilt, the engine refreshed, the interior preserved like a time capsule from the disco era. And now, this rolling piece of Maserati madness is heading to Broad Arrow's Zoute sale on October 10th. This isn't just another car crossing the block. It's history, it's style, it's drama, and it's the kind of machine that makes you feel like a movie star the second you turn the key. This Maserati Khamsin isn't just for collectors, it's for someone bold enough to take the wheel of a legend, to own the only Khamsin with his jaw-dropping T-top party trick. The question is, will that someone be you?